me say if you fly helicopter round this Port Harcourt, because this thing no be even, e no even concern Abu Aodua, e no concern wetin dem dey call these other places dem Andonia. Na just this Port Harcourt the thing dey happen, or axis of Port Harcourt, or place wey no dey far from here. So if una dey serious as a commissioner, you will take helicopter, carry some environmental professional, abi some people wey sabi environmental matters, make dem fly with you, make you go from one place to another. If in case una fuel finish, you come down, come buy another helicopter fuel, you fly again, you go round just to secure the life of your people. It is more important than for you to come and tell us say Senate never visit here.
It never begin kill people like
that is what I'm saying. Is it because people never die until they report now say because of suit 10 people die for this side, 3 people die for this side, we're expecting 2 people are in critical condition? Is that when we will make move? Is there nothing they call proactive? Abi? Is it proactive?
Proactive measure.
Is it the English? Why I think say na preventive measure. But I can't keep myself here.
Proactive measure. Before the thing go happen, make them do something.
Yes! Please. We need to do something before something do us. I think enough is a word for the wise. A wise is enough for the word.
Any of them follow.
At least wise and the word. No. And the word join enter. Anyhow way be. The most important thing is say the message has been passed. Also, somebody be complain this morning. Say NEPA people, this and that. Brother, in my own little investigation, now we will they shout pass. Now we will know they pay bill, NEPA bill. You see, I don't see I say the people will know they shout pass for NEPA. Now they know they play. Yes, now they all pass. Because all those big men houses, maybe they give them bill of maybe 10,000 naira a month or 15,000 naira a month. Big men, to avoid embarrassment, so either they pay all or they pay part. Out of the 10,000, they fit go pay 7,000 naira. No people say they don't get the whole money. Make job say, hey, because NEPA something must always bring NEPA. They go pay them. You see those people when they pay 200 naira per yard, they reach like 50 for 1 yard. They can't tell them they pay 200 naira or 500 naira. Now then they quarrel pass.
200 naira for what?
I didn't tell you why go pay 500 naira for what? For what? I see the light. For what? Why you be say, you know, funny you.
It must be like that. Nothing person will do that. And yes, they go tell you say only bulb boy I get. I don't get fan.
People when they talk that thing enter their house. People can tell you say na only bulb I get. Only these 2 bulb. Only 3 bulb. Brother, the one wey consume light pass bulb, na that electric stove and iron. Brother, boiling ring, electric heater. Hey, that thing they consume light like power like gorilla. When gorilla they drink water, you don't see gorilla wey drink water before. Why you see am? You don't lie.
I dey watch that for documentary now. We want it.
Okay, as you say you don't see am. I won't fear you.
In that documentary, they watch am.
Okay. You know we don't drink water. This is my girlfriend. Why is she calling me? I call you before you know Pico. Hello girlfriend. Okay. She don't run. You know honey. I won't put her on there, she run. So people when they argue, they quarrel pass. Now they know they agree pay this money. One landlord they complain to me, say as I see this year so before he go collect NEPA money, it be like war. Now I say, oh God, things are hard people now. You self, how much? Like say 200 though. 200 naira, United States of Rumundulu.
This is the problem with people. Is this open?
Yes, yes, it's open.
It's open.
Yes, today is not honey. Tell her to open for you. If no go for 2 years. For you. If no go for 3 years.
We cannot open.
Tell her to open for you today.
So, Kule, how are you?
Fine, you're welcome. I don't expect to see you.
No, I come.
You come back. You can't go again today.
Today on evening work. Don't announce my movement like that.
I did not, and I just say you so come back.
People will not.
I didn't say where. Don't mention where. Because the way you go America, they come back.
No. I went for Ibim Seminary.
You don't confuse me.
Husband's chieftaincy. He is now the chief of Abamado.
Wow.
Abamado.
That was senior
Tekena house. Tekena chief.
No, Tekena associate chief.
Not be chief anything. Now when you see us, then they get power. When you see the green chief there, or high table, they green near the high table.
Oh boy.
Say no one die young.
When we go around, they kind of the form chief. I'm the chief of all the water side. And they go tell them to sit here. I'm the chief of all the water side. When they come call the chief them, the least person will sit down for that chair 80 years or 90 years. And then they define. They sit down for the high table for the chief. Now we can call Tekken and say, ladies and gentlemen, we have a chief now to come and sit with these people. They tell us, for what? Who tell you to have a chief? We're not mad. Why would I see what they make me chief? By himself, now he deny chief can say.
He no wait for cock to grow 3 times.
Before he come up for he take off.
When I'm talking about chiefs, then they call Tekken name.
It's true.
He being military husband. That is Henry Wariboko James. Seminary Ado. Seminary Abam.
Abam.
Yes, Seminary dash Abam.
Now they add to your name now.
Yes.
Abam.
Ado, Abam Ado.
Abam wom nagi. China kwari.
Sound like Indian song.
I tell you. Abam wom nagi.
So now yesterday we go do the chieftaincy.
Wow.
The wrong job is a complete chief now.
He pay me. I don't feel me top.
Many people come. No, I don't say you go by answer. But it's
up.
Nice, beautiful event.
At least I for collect that in regalia.
Let's see all of us who did there. So that is how I came back yesterday.
Okay. Welcome.
Now you two welcome back from Bayelsa. I hear you the shout sutu.
Michael, you know yes
Sutu. I saw Okrika woman for Abba Mama.
And because they cannot know there. If I tell you na Kubo woman now.
No, him the Tekena himself will call him Sutu. By himself, he don't need to argue with anybody. One Okrika woman yesterday, they say Sutu. I just say pass here Sutu. I don't understand. I can't look. I can't ask people. That is okay. The organizing where they fall from up. American people now snow. They fall for them.
My brother, I thought you are there.
Some they come out, come they play with the snow.
Snow.
One of my friends had this idiot. And this former bank manager, now hustler. Not be like Eugene still get level.
No, Eugene even he get different. I like his style. He put the egg for different basket.
If you see
he put the egg for different basket. I'm not when we say in wise. He put the head for politics, for religion, for social, for anywhere. So in case say this one break, he entire. I like his style.
He was there yesterday. You know about different. You know about the in between. This are bulky cloth.
This
are bulky cloth.
Jalabia.
No jalabia.
Which one?
This are jumper. No, the one on the inside. Jumper. It's in between jumper and etibo. If you look at from one angle,
so it's a John Tibo.
85.
It's a John Tibo.
If you look at from one angle,
you wear John Tibo.
Now jumper where? I'm okay jumper, but find a father. If you look at from another angle, native, and then where the studs complete. No. Yesterday, I like his style. That when they want to stand for television, Eugene they pose. I'm not saying they pose.
No, you're not saying birthday just pass. So when I see the face say, in birthday now 1 week.
Birthday went trend. Internet pass even Zuckerberg.
I tell you,
no Facebook, no trend reach Eugene.
I never see
Facebook. Suppose they help.
I never see Facebook.
I say no go wake
busy up. On like the day busy for Eugene Ebers day. Even people who never enter Facebook before, they borrow other people to just to greet them.
Go greet them.
He suppose they are this morning.
Is it like
he get what you want to talk.
Eugene like
till now, it has not come.
He never wake up.
It is from Okrika yesterday.
He never wake up.
So when he look at me, I say, I man, you go help me. I say, corporate rasta. You know happy. Then I go say, job guide and job blessed, I and I. That is only me one.
You know you couldn't have again.
They go laugh. No, that's what they talk. These reggae people. Jah bless I and I.
They know now. They know.
Only one person.
They know they put you inside now. We are not saying make Jah bless you.
Supposed to be I and you.
If you define your own, go ask your own.
Go ask your own. I and I don't live in Babylonian one. Rastaman Chineke na one. Only them.
Only them one. Now Sutu.
We dey complain am.
Suit. See, Kule.
I think hear my complaint.
I dey follow you since. I dey run. I want useless hold up block me.
Yeah.
There is no quarrel of go hire helicopter.
Why?
We know where it is from.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay.
There are people that do bow fire.
One.
You know bow fire?
Yeah, I know.
those people that cook
Oil.
diesel.
Okay.
They go first thief the diesel
Wow.
from
Pipeline.
Pipeline will not be their own. No. Then they claim say they that community. Nearness to source of raw materials. The factor, the location of industry. Now, when they don't go thief the oil, the crude, they'll come, they get their own cooking. If you see cooking, sometimes if that thing explode, everybody they die.
For that place.
Everybody. Then get people when they carry generator come. I don't
enter.
I don't man.
No, now man, they sure.
I don't
say you are live on air.
I'm very fear.
But you say you don't enter. You have to be sure. Is he enter to find out or enter to do business?
Now, it's everything. I wasn't listening.
You say you don't enter.
No, I said I don't enter where then
they do
discuss. No,
go to investigate.
I'm an investigative journalist.
Okay. You know they stay one place.
No, I don't even go where they die. The one who go for Kenya. We have not forgotten it.
Thank God we are able to report it.
Born. Do you know that yesterday for a big military place?
You know they look.
I got my microphone and say, no, only God knows since 2015.
Not the first time.
I never knew. Okay. This is the first in history for me. Now some people say, no talk amo, no talk amo. From the audience, no talk amo. I say, no talk what thing happen. The thing itself, know itself. So for me to come to Abam, I know that Abam no do inside. After refinery, I have to take leg, run to refinery in case anything happen. So that's why I'm able to get mine to come to Abam
and say it
and come to even visit the Abam in the first place. And it gives a military house front, one checkpoint there. In case anything happen, I go fit dive inside that sand.
You go do ade your hand, ade your hand.
Ade your hand, ade your hand. Okay. Dive inside that sand. So now, suit those people where they cook the oil. When they no come settle their way, it is in the Bible. Settle
quickly
with your adversary. With the
officer. No, with the adversary. Before you hand you over to the officer.
Now on the road, and you'll be thrown into prison. So when those boys don't settle well, the adversary, I don't know why will be the adversary. The adversary will go and report. Officers will come there and discover the place
and burn
the place. Now in burning the place, the compounds, the tetraozosulfuric acid and the sulfuric. No worry, you go soon correct me. Stop that nonsense.
Your father correct. We have to be sure.
Tetraozosulfuric acid when mixed with the nitrogen and the heterogen and the heterogeneous and hegemonious.
All the gin together.
Come, one wire they smell.
The gin they burn.
Michael don't they blow something.
When the effervescence, you know they call effervescence for chemistry.
I'm not even ready to know. Just go ahead.
You know the effervescence.
I know one learner.
When they learn titration, they say when
you do sciences.
I do science.
What do you compare for what?
I know pass chemistry. I know pass chemistry for why I was discouraged. I got angry.
Now you can't remember what you for pass.
I know
what you for pass
for the exam.
What you for that? Now you can't remember.
I remember those ones.
What if suit come out for your exam that time?
Suit never the rain. All we know.
Now coats dey.
Waiting will spoil my mind for science. Now our physics mistress, one bias a woman. And all of us will be River State too. She teaches F lambda. Every day she come class, pendulum.
Okay.
F lambda. Swinging pendulum. The next day, F lambda. To calculate wave. When you know wave, they calculate the wave. To calculate the frequency of the wave. Could I do science? I go far.
I'm surprised as you end up for Agaba dancing. for crap. I'm surprised. But the way they talk up now, it shows that you didn't do science. Me, I failed out. After first term, I failed out of science. Nobody tell me, only me one. Because that time now they do say senior prefect, they come from sciences. So everybody they struggle to go science so that they could be senior prefects. My brother, after first term, I know if you carry my result to reach house. He said, instead I carry am go house, I carry am go my father younger sister house. My dad carry am go. I say, where are you? I say I go holiday. By myself. I go holiday before you come back from. I say I tell your sister house. Come say okay. In the expect say result go call, result no come. I say they say they will give us result for second time. Nobody tell me. As I go, now me go meet the principal. I say, ma, I want to move to arts. I mean tell her
so,
myself.
like I was as a one-time science student,
Ex
science student.
No be ex militant. At least X don't dey.
X don't dey.
Now as ex-science student, I do physics. We do F lambda F lambda T one time pass.
Only F lambda.
Kukuma begin call the woman F
lambda.
You reach.
When we go physics lab for Stella Maris that time, physics lab we go say about F lambda don't reach, they go F lambda. So now
I mean the course subject.
this sort of physics. F lambda now come there. If the woman they pass, we go say F lambda they pass. At time our principal they put teachers on duty.
Okay.
And prefects on duty weekly.
Make I don't forget. After 9, you remind me of the craft center.
Okay.
Talk there craft center.
Okay. Now, teachers and prefects they on duty, weekly duty. Okay. So if that the woman they on duty, go say F lambda they duty this week.
So she just now she's a married woman.
She was
just like Mrs. F Lambda.
We don't know they go Mrs. F Lambda. F Lambda direct.
It's direct. Okay. We don't know.